Good evening, friends. Uh, this is Subir Mukherjee from GreenLife Insurance Broking, GIBL.IN. It's good to have this session. With this session, we want to have some introduction, and I just want to see how whatever we are doing here in GIBL. I want to give that news to you guys and also see how we can help you out. In terms of GIBL, some of you already know, some of you probably uh, just the first time here in this program. GIBL is India's one of the leading insurance distribution network. We have award-winning AI-driven platform through which we cover all types of insurance distribution, B2C, B2B, and retail as well. So now I think we are in a very important phase of Indian economy because of this pandemic lockdown. We have seen there are a lot of job losses, and in terms of job losses to quantify, actually, I think almost 12.2 crores Indians got affected of their jobs because of the corona pandemic around 2000, this April and May. And after that, actually, job situation improved. But if you look into the actual scenario, job situation still actually in India, 41 lakhs youth still has lost their jobs, and we are here to see how we can actually improve that aspects, how we can create more jobs, and how we can actually able to improve a little bit about by our own contribution providing employment. So what we are offering, what is GIBL's offer? Basically, we have created a partner app. In that partner app, anybody can download it from Google Play Store. They can install and they can actually start earning. So GIBL is offering an option for all those people who actually lost their job during the pandemic, or people who want to actually get additional income and have probably a better economical condition, or people who want to actually earn from their home. GIBL is giving them an option through which they can actually earn more using our GIBL partner app. So what it actually do? It will give you a training of 15 hours. It will give you a training about mostly insurance, along with that different other financial services. And it will make you capable of understanding insurance so that you can also sell the insurance to other people. And that too just from your mobile. You don't need to do anywhere, and you don't need to go anywhere. It's probably, in the COVID situation, as we have seen, it is contactless of generating. So basically, anybody, it could be a student, it could be a housewife, anybody looking for additional income, a part-time person, or someone wants to start their in a new way. They all could be benefited from it, and it's very simple. You just download the app, install it, go through the tutorial, and we have the complete back office people to support you, and you can actually start generating your income from month one. Probably if you put enough time, in probably 3 to 6 months time, you can able to earn in a scale of anything between 15 to 20,000 per month, and then it goes beyond. In terms of how we can help you earn more income, GIBL has provided a lot of amenities, not only the app, but also different other options through which you can actually earn more. And one of that is our QR code based approach. So you can sell through the GIBL partner app, but at the same time, you can get QR code. These QR codes will be very unique to you, and you can actually go around in your neighborhood and put the QR code in all the corner shops, and anybody can scan those QR code, and they will be coming to GIBL site, and they can purchase a policy. The moment you will purchase a policy, what is going to happen? Our system is intelligent enough; is going to know who purchases and from which shop they have purchased it. So both of them, like the shopkeeper as well as whoever actually pasted that QR code to that shop, they will all get rewards of the sale. Another way of doing it, you can register if you are not want to actively selling policies. You can actually register yourself, and you can also register all the say vehicles in your neighborhood, in your family's vehicle or your friend's vehicle, your relative's vehicle. And if anyone of those leads which you registered, if they purchase the policy or renew their policy from GIBL, you will get the reward. Along with that, when you download the app, you'll see your partner link. It's a unique link. You can actually share that link in the through WhatsApp, in any social media, and anybody in your circle who see that link and want to purchase a policy, they can click on that link and they can come to GIBL and purchase a policy. And the moment they purchase a policy, because you have been in that lead, you will also get a reward for it. Now, how to become a GIBL business partner and insurance entrepreneur? As I said, it's very simple. You download the app and you register it. You take 15 hours training, and within say 7 days, you would be able to sell policies. Now, I just want to mention the advantage of being an insurance entrepreneur. We know insurance is a industry. It was there 100 years back, and it will be probably there in the next 100 years in different format, obviously, in one way or another. And in India, there are almost 110 million vehicles uninsured. If you look into the insurance sector, both life insurance as well as general insurance, these two industries are growing almost 14 to 15% year on year. So as you can understand, this is a growing industry, and once you learn a little bit about it, you can actually earn through it till your last day of your life. The advantage of insurance is your portfolio, your income grows with the year. If you look into certain say different other kind of professions, you have a peak time. Once you cross your peak time, slowly your earning and other thing goes down. But in case of insurance, the more you stay in this particular subject, in a particular domain, you keep getting new businesses, and at the same time you keep getting more and more renewals from your previous year's policies. to just give you an example, so you start your career with GIBL from this year. So in this year, all you might have done, say, 50 policies. In next year, when you're going to start, you already have those 50 policies in your bag. So if you do, say, another 30 policies in the next year, so you'll be having 80 policies. The following year, if you do another 50 policies, so altogether you will have a 50 plus 30 plus 50, which is 130 policies. And your earning from those is going to grow. So you actually do policy once and get repeat earning year after year. You won't get that from any other industry. And in GIBL, we are committed to ensure that all the policyholder whom you are bringing in, if they renew it with GIBL, you are also getting benefited year after year through the renewal income. Now, what are the benefits of becoming a GIBLIAN? There are probably certain cases you can be a insurance agent or other insurance entities with different other things. But the advantage with GIBL is we are giving you a career here for you. We'll be from very first day. We'll be hand-holding you to tell you. We'll get you the adequate training required to understand and sell all kinds of insurance which you are able to sell through the GIBL partner app. Then you'll give, after the training, you will get a certificate which is IRDA recognized, and it is valid across India, and you'll be able to sell policies of all the insurance companies available in India, both GI, LI, as well as health insurance. So in India, we have currently about 56 insurance companies. GIBL is tied up with all the 56 insurance companies, and by being a GIBL POS, you can actually able to sell these policies of these 56 companies policies. Now we also have this instant policy. So you not only able to sell those policies, but you can actually hand over these policies instantly. It is instant policy you can issue from the app itself. Again, with GIBL, we have spent over the last 5 years creating a CRM, award-winning CRM. It has all kinds of functionalities in terms of leads, in terms of follow-up, and it spent, as I said, a team of 25 people over the last 5 years built up this CRM system, and we actually perfected it. So you will get access to this CRM system free of cost. For if you had to purchase something similar in the market, you have to spend thousands and thousands of rupees. So you'll get access to this, and it will help you run your business in a paperless manner. In that, you can actually operate your entire business from your mobile, and you can see all the leads coming. You can see if you have to follow up someone tomorrow, day after, it will give you an alert. Also, at the beginning of every month, it will give you the renewal list. What are the kind of renewal actually happening is going to happen this current month. You can see their history in terms of their communication, whatever you have with them. You can listen to the previous call conversation. Also, you can at any point of time see the different sales report, what kind of policies you have sold, what kind of premium you have clocked, and also you can see how many business in terms of in a renewal you might have lost, or if you could have closed all the potential leads, how much additional business you could have done. So all kinds of MIS sales report you get from it. You can download it at any point of time. So it's not only the front end, but it gives you a back end, and then there is a chatbot support. So whenever you want to get any information, you can talk to our AI-driven chatbot and get all the information out of it. You have our support team through which you can also get the details from there as well. So in terms of what kind of time is required, the time, as I can say, like it depends on the space in the pace you want to actually learn and you want to commit to. If you are committing full time, I think you can be up and ready within a week, 2 weeks maximum, depending on learning space, and you can start earning. It's like just download the thing, register yourself, do the training, get the certification, and there you go. It's almost like depending on if you are ready to do it in 2 or 3 days, you can still able to do it in 2 or 3 days. In terms of any investment required, I would say you don't need. Yes, one investment is required. That is your time. Apart from your time, there is no investment required. You can start this thing and earn in lakhs from total zero investment. All you need to do is you need to put effort, you need to spend time, and you need to have the attitude to learn and to have the attitude to update yourself on a continuous basis, which we are going to help, and that's it. So you don't need to do anything additional. In terms of whatever we are providing, is it recognized? Yes, it is recognized. It is across India. It's an IRDA registered POS certificate you are going to get, and it will be valid, and it will give you the ability to sell policies of all the insurance companies. Certain retail policies you might be restricted to sell certain policies, but all the retail policies you'll be able to sell, and you'll be able to earn something handsomely. And in terms of renewal income, as I probably told you earlier, I mean, we are committed to our partners. Even if you are not working in the insurance domain actively, but you have created a good portfolio, all the renewals, whatever is coming, we would be able to share with you day after day, and year after year. And you don't need to do anything. You will see the notifications in your app, in your communications, in your email IDs and other things, and you'll see the renewal income coming to your bank account year after year. Also, the ways of multiplying income, as I said, we provide all kinds of insurance policies of all the insurance, so there is no limitation. At the same time, you can have passive income in the sense, as I said, you can create your own referral link, you can create your own QR code, and through those you can earn while you are actually not actively pitching insurance. Maybe you are sleeping and somebody actually clicked in your link and they actually purchase a policy and you earn a commission. I don't see there is anyone else is going to give you that kind of options where you can actually earn something while you are not working, while you are in sleep. So GIBL is going to give you that kind of opportunities to earn more. So now I'm going to see, there are a few friends, they have actually asked for a few questions. So I'll just try to address those questions one after another and see, how things are, what are the questions they're asking. So I think our friend Mohsin, he just said he's new in the insurance sector, and and what are the benefits and the best payouts. I think that's actually so. Motion, what I can say that yeah, this is a very interesting domain, and the main thing is, you sell once and you get repeat income. You don't need to sell it again and again. That's the advantage of this sector. So if you spend some time, if you contact anybody in our office from our site, you can go to GIBL.in, or you can go to GIBL.in/pause, register yourself. People will be in touch and let you know how you can actually take this thing forward, and let you know how you can actually be able to earn money with GIBL. And I think Revati, he's saying, I'm new to this sector, how to become a direct agent with you, and what are the benefits and the best payouts. As you know, we have the good reward system. We have a different way. If you are something similar, like compete with different other fellow partners, and whoever is doing the best premium for a week, for a month, you can actually the best person of the week who is earning the highest premium, they're getting a trophy, or they're getting a cash prizes. They're a champion of the week, then champion of the month, champion of the quarter, then champion of the year. So all kinds of different prizes are there for participating. And so the payouts is the best as far as IRDA guidelines, and whatever is available, you'll be getting that, and you'll get all the benefits of working with us directly. As I said earlier, just get in touch with us through GIBL.in/pause, register yourself, or dial the number it is, and someone will be there to help you out. Mona Lisa is asking that how you can earn more. As I said, there are multiple ways. One is the way you can sell directly, but at the same time, that's there for everyone. But at the same time, you can have your own unique referral link. You can spread it through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Instagram, and ask everybody the way you do good morning in the morning. Just create a message and send it across to your social network. Across your social network, and people can actually click on that link and earn. If they purchase, and you can start earning with that. You can use the QR code. You can register all the leads in your social circle, and any one of them renew or purchase a new policy through us. And that could be any point of time, in 6 months time, in 6 years time. You register a lead, and the lead comes in. We see from what is the source, and then you will get the reward automatically. And I think there is Ayas. He's asking, I have zero knowledge on the sector, but I'm interested to कैसे क्या करूँ. तो अयास, आपको जो है GIBL.in/pause, इसमें आप विजिट कीजिए. हम लोग का जो फेसबुक पेज है, यहाँ से किसी को पिंग कीजिए, तो हम लोग जरूर आपसे हम लोग बंदे लोग जरूर आपसे बात करेंगे, आपको समझाएंगे कि कैसे कर सकते हैं. हम एक ही बात बोल सकते हैं, इट्स वेरी इजी. Not much like you have to have a 10+ certificate as a qualification. You can download the app and you can start earning with just a few days training. And हम लोगों का बंदे लोग हैं, आपको पूरा सिखाएंगे, कैसे आपको पूरा ट्रेन करेंगे डिफरेंट इंश्योरेंस के बारे में. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, मोटर इंश्योरेंस, दोनों का अभी बहुत डिमांड है. अभी तो कोरोना के चलते हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का भी बहुत डिमांड आ गया. So with a little bit of training, you can start earning handsomely very quickly. So with that, I want to thank all of you guys. I think you got a good understanding of what we do, and I would say we have launched an exciting competition, GIBL IPL Indian Policy League, Khelo aur Jeeto offer. You can check it in our Facebook page. You can get in touch, With this, you have option to earn additional uh, cash prize money up to 2.5 lakhs or more. And obviously, you can compete, you can win trophies, you can get certificates, depending on how you're performing. There could be a lot of rewards. There could be international tour opportunities. So I ask you to please get in touch. And thank you, everyone. Thank you for listening. And I hope to speak to you soon again next Friday. Thank you.